One.
Yo, welcome back. Video 33 here. And we're gonna be getting into comments for videos, just like here in YouTube. You can see underneath this section where we've got the poster and the subscribe and the description. Uh, Also got comments, sort by. You can add a comment, and you can also reply or like other comments. We got a button over here. We got a report, spam or abuse over here. And you can reply. You can reply to someone's reply. You get user's avatar, username, when they post. For simplicity, I think we'll just let someone post and people can reply to the initial post, but maybe not letting them reply. Maybe just liking or disliking. That way we don't have to code deep threads of comments. So before we get into that, I refactored our video. So remember our video component has the share modal, the snack bar, the embed modal components already in it. So I created two more components to break up what was previously all up in this div, the video main page. I left that with the style.container as the only style left over right here. And basically all this remains the same, but now there's going to be a video main, and the second div is video list. So remember, this container was a grid. 70% is the video. So this is video main, which will include for now the video, this line with the information and then the comments below it. And then this is the other component over here, which will be the list of videos eventually. Yeah, you could break it up further, like this is a component, this is a component, this is a component, comments is a component. But for now, we'll just break it into two. So basically, just like the other one, I wanted to take a little more time just so everyone understands breaking down components. I just left the div structure, so you've got your div that breaks it up into a grid. So video main itself is a div. So to be honest, we could actually bag this div completely. Video list will go there. And we haven't implemented anything for video list yet, so we'll wrap this in a div. This will be the 30% column. Just like that for now. So that's all video list is for now, not much going on. Video main is where everything's going on. You can see we're sending in a lot of props. Now the ref now becomes, we're going to call it video ref, and still assign this video element to video. And in here, we're going to bring in all those props in a long list like that, and we'll bring in the video ref. And all we say on our video is ref is the video ref. That's how you pass your ref down to a child, straight from the React docs. Of course, I brought in all the styles that are pertinent to this. This is pretty much the same code copied. And you get rid of all the this. There is no this on a stateless functional component. And other than that, you just assign the props and send the props in, and make sure you bring your styles over. Make sure you bring all the relevant imports and make sure the path is still correct for things that have relative paths. And for our thumbs up and thumbs down function, we are using one function, this that handle thumbs, but we're sending it in as two different props based on using our old trick with binding this and a string to distinguish the two from each other. Just like we did with our copy, we passed a string and this long handle thumbs. We went over all the logic in this. Pretty complicated logic, but we pass in a control, I like to call it. Kind of lets you kill two birds with one stone. Not all implementations are as crazy as this one, but we had to, for thumbs up and thumbs down, it's a little tricky, so we had to do it like that. I think we went over the converting of the strings before and how we did all the sharing implementation and the embedding. That was pretty tricky code. But the point of this video is that we just bring in all the props just like that and everything works the same as it did before. Another thing is I changed, we used to have a height in our roots index. We used to have a height or a min height on the root element. I deleted that. And for now, video main, I don't even think has a height. Okay, the video itself has a height, but the container itself doesn't even have a height. But in our upload components, both the upload details and the upload drop zone, I put in a height on the container to 89 VH. That's only so when we go there, it's not cutting off the screen. It's a nice full screen look. We haven't really done anything with home yet. I just wanted to get the upload looking nice. See, home still cuts off here because we haven't set a height. And this isn't really important. We haven't really dressed up this component yet. But, our upload component with that 89 VH fits in nice on my screen. And same when you go to the details, everything fits nicely on the screen. I think I changed the background to light gray. At some point I was going to change the styling to match the dark style that I like on the new YouTube setup. But not a big deal. We don't need to worry about style too much. I try to stick to the actual programming, not so much the styling. You can style it however you want, These styles are just recommended. You can obviously do whatever you want. So, first thing I want to do is start on the back end for comments. I do believe our comment, we'll start with a model, because I think it deserves its own model, because if you think about it, you think about a comment, it's going to reference the user that posted it. It's going to reference the video that it's about. It's going to be able to be liked. It can be disliked. It has text. We have to implement a count of the comments per video, and we also need the user. So we need the user's photo, the user's name, and when it was posted. So there's quite a bit of stuff we need, so we might as well make a model for that. And it'll ref the user in the video, but it'll also be in the user in the video, and we'll see you in the next video.